Hi guys, in this tutorial we will learn MySQL if function. The if function is one of the parts of the MySQL control flow function which returns a value based on the given condition. In other words, the if function is used for validating a function in MySQL. The if function returns value s when the given condition evaluates to true and returns no value when the condition evaluates to false. It returns value either in a string or numeric form depending upon the context in which this function is used. Sometimes this function is known as if else and if then else function. The syntax of the MySQL if function: if in bracket expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. Expression 1 is the required expression and expression 2 as well as expression 3 it's the optional expression. Expression 1 is a value which is used for validation and expression 2 it returns value when the condition is true and expression 3 returns value when the condition is false. Now we directly see how it works with database. Click your Windows Start button, then search MySQL command line client. Here MySQL is started. Now we perform the query. If function it works with select function. Select query. Here we use select query. Select, then if, in bracket provide condition. In bracket if provide expression 1. Here you can use any expression. I use 20 greater than 30. In second single inverted comma you can use expression 2 and in here expression 3. If expression is true, it returns expression 2 value, and if expression 1 is it returns false, that time it returns expression 3. Here you can see we perform query select if in bracket expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. Our expression 1 is the 20 greater than 30. Here we know it returns false because it returns false value. If we use another expression like 50 is greater than 20, that time it returns true. Here I just change the expression 50 greater than 20. It returns value true. Again we take another example. 50 equal to 50. It returns true because we know 50 equal to 50. 50 equal to here. I just change the value 50 equal to 30. It returns false because 50 not equal to 30. Now we see how it works with string data type. For that we use string compare function. We have already know how to work string compare function. It compares two strings with each other. This is the first string and this is second string. We just string compare function compares these both strings. Here you can see if first string equal to second string, it returns correct, otherwise it returns wrong. We take like this another example. Here I just change the second string. Here I take demo. You can see it returns the output wrong because project not equal to demo. Now we use another one table. For that, first we create a table. Create table, table name. Here I take table name student. Here first is the ID, then data type. Second field is the name and data type is the text. Third field is the class and fourth field is the age. Data type is the int. Here you can see table is created successfully. We insert some records into student table. Insert into student values. First is the ID. Second is the name. Third is the class. And fourth is the age. First record is inserted. Now we insert second record. Here you can see I have inserted 3 records. Now we perform query by using select. Select. We select name. Select name. In if we just specified the condition. That means expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3. We specified condition. Age is a greater than 20. If age is greater than 20, it returns mature. Otherwise, it returns immature. As result from student table. You can see here output. We perform query, select name. If age is greater than 20, then it returns mature, otherwise it returns immature from student 1. Here you can see student 1 table. In this table, first record is the ID is 1, name is the Rutik, class is 10 and age is 20. For that first record, it checks condition age. For first record, our age is the 20. 20 is greater than 20. It returns false. That's why it returns immature. Now, for second record. In second record, you can see age is a 30. Here, in this query, it checked the condition 30 is a greater than 20. Condition is true. That's why here it returns mature. Again same condition, again same for the record 3. For third record, age is the 25. Here again check the condition 25 is a greater than 20. Condition is true. That's why it returns mature. Thank you guys.